Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching how to make this cute little flower keychain. You can either use it as a keychain or you can just skip this hanging and use it as a flower applique to use on your projects like hairbands, sweaters, caps and so on. So without further ado, let's get started. For this project, I'm taking weight 3 light yarn. This is acrylic yarn and the recommended hook size is 4.5 mm crochet hook. You need beads like this. They come in different size and shape. So take 6 beads. Don't forget to keep the scissor handy. We need to insert this yarn through these beads. For that, you can either use a small needle or a small crochet hook like this can be used. Insert the bead inside the needle and slowly grab the yarn through the beads like this. Same way, insert all 6 beads. After inserting 6 beads, we will tie them together. Just make a permanent knot. Make sure you tie them firmly. We can weave this tail afterwards. And now insert the hook from here, grab a loop and make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, we will make 4 chains. After making 4 chains, we will insert the hook between these 2 beads and make a slip stitch. Again 4 chains and slip stitch between these 2 beads. Chain 4 and slip stitch. Follow the same till the end. Once you finished making 4 chains and slip stitch around these beads, we will slip stitch here. We can see this gap, so insert the hook in that gap, yarn over and slip stitch. After making slip stitch, we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains. Now we will wrap the yarn around the hook for 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you wrap 10 times, insert the hook in the same chain gap, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have to yarn over and pull through all the loops at once like this. So, and then we will wrap the spiral like this. So this finishes one spiral stitch. So we have to make 2 more in this arch. So for that, 1, just pay attention how I am moving my yarn towards the end of the hook every time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then we will insert the hook here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now again yarn over and pull through all the loops at once like this. And then we will lock the spiral. So we will make one more in this arch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Then we will lock the spiral. After making 3 spiral in one arch, we will make 4 chain. 3, 4 and slip stitch in the same arch. So as you can see, this finishes one petal of the flower. So what we did, chain 4, 3 spiral stitch and chain 4 and slip stitch in the same arch. This is what we are making in every arch. So I will show you for the next one. So the hook is here, we need to move it to the next arch. So for that we will use slip stitch like this and then make chain 4, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 chains, we will wrap the yarn around the hook for 10 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then insert the hook in the same space, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. So for beginners, spiral stitch may seem difficult, but you should follow my trick. So I will show you what happens if you don't pull the loops towards the end of the hook every time. So if you wrap the yarn like this and make the loops tighter, and now if you try to pull the yarn, you may feel difficult and it may stuck at the middle. So for that, you follow my trick. So pull the yarn towards the end of the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After wrapping 10 times, insert the hook here and now yarn over and pull through all the loops at once and then lock. So far we made 2 spirals. We need to make one more spiral in the same arch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After wrapping 10 times, insert the hook in the same arch, yarn over and pull up a loop. And then yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. So this finishes second arch. We will make chain 4 and slip stitch here. Now move the needle into the next arch. For that we will make a slip stitch, again chain 4, spirals.
Follow the same and make 3 more petals, and I'll meet you at the end.
I just finished making the last petal, and now after making 3 spiral stitch, we will chain 4 and slip stitch as usual. Now you can chain 1 and cut your yarn and use it as it is as a flower applique, or you can make this hanging and use it as a keychain. So for this I am making hanging. You can use it if you are using for a headband or on your cap or on a sweaters. You can just chain 1 and cut your yarn at this stage. Or if you want a keychain, then make 30 chains. 2, 3, after making 30 chains, we will slip stitch in the same spot. So you have a hole in here. You can just slip stitch there. And now you can chain 1, cut your yarn. After cutting the yarn, slowly remove the yarn like this to secure your work. We just need to weave these tail. So this one and this one. So I will show you for one, and you can follow the same for the other one. So I don't use tapestry needle. I just like to do with my hook. So like this. Just trim the excess yarn. Follow the same for this one. I just weaved the tail, and this is how your keychain will look like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.